Hey, what's up guys? Matt here with Fix Anything Save Money. Today we're going to be showing you this Dewalt hammer drill that I just picked up. This is model DCH133. So I'll throw a link in the description on where you could pick this up. This is a great tool for if you're hammering into concrete or chipping, or I mean you could even use it as a drill, but we'll get into all the features of it in a little bit here. So I just want to show you just a quick walkthrough of this and how to install a bit. This is a 1-inch concrete bit that I picked up. So I'll show you how to install and remove this bit, and then I'll also throw a link in the description on where you could buy this if you want to. So all right, first things first, we'll show you how to remove the battery. To do that, just like all their tools, push in on this button, slide right out, and then to reinstall the battery, you just want to line up these two grooves right here with these two grooves and just push in until you hear a click. So now we're locked in place. You can see we have a full battery. So for this demonstration, we'll just remove the battery so it doesn't turn on. And now working our way up the tool, here's the trigger. This is your forward and reverse. So you push this in to go forward, that's reverse. And then if you want to lock it for a safety, you just push it in the middle, and then you can see you can't push the trigger in. So we have forward, reverse, and then our safety. So we'll throw a battery in real quick so you could see. So here's forward, there's reverse, and then there's our safety. Okay, so now we'll show you the 3 different settings of this hammer drill. This is really a great hammer drill because it not only has a hammer function, but it also will turn into a drill. So to change the settings, you want to push this little black button here. I don't know if you can see it on camera, but there's like a button here. So you would press this in, and then if you turn it up to the top setting, this is strictly this just turns it into a drill. So this would be if you're drilling into wood or any sort of metal or plastic. So you can see when I pull the trigger, it just sounds like a normal drill. And then if we switch it over to this, now it's in hammer function drill. So it's like a hammer and a drill. So you could see it's going to spin and it's going to actually hammer at the same time. And then if we want to do this setting, this is strictly the hammer function, and you can see it's not going to rotate. It's just going to hammer. So that's for any sort of chipping you want to use. And this middle setting is for any sort of drilling into concrete or any sort of masonry. This is what you're going to want to use. And then this bottom setting would just be for chipping. If you're going to be chipping concrete or whatever your application may be, that's what this setting's for. So then we also have our depth gauge. So you could see when we have a bit in, you could actually adjust this by pushing this button in right here and then just sliding it. So you could tell how deep you're drilling or how deep you've already drilled. So that's a nice little thing that it comes with. So now we'll get into the handle. So this handle is nice because if you loosen it by spinning it to the left here, you can adjust the handle however you're working, whatever's comfortable for you when you're on a job. So you can see now the handle's like that, or you can spin it if you're a lefty, you can spin it like that. You could have it up here if you're in a weird, tight area, or you could take it right off if you want by just simply loosening it all the way and then just sliding it right off. So it's a nice, quick little thing. Okay, so now we'll show you how to actually install a bit. So we have our 1-inch bit right here. And to do that, there's this ring right here that pushes down. You can see it right there. But to install it, the easiest way to install it is to just push right in. Don't even worry about the ring. Just push it down and then test it, make sure it won't pull out. So it's locked in place, but then when you want to remove it, that's where you want to actually push this down and then remove your bit. So yeah guys, I think that pretty much covers everything on this hammer drill. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. Otherwise guys, be sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and check out all my other tool videos. I have videos on a whole bunch of different brands and different tools. And then I also have a bunch of DIY videos, so subscribe, be sure to check them out if you'd like to. Otherwise, yeah guys, that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, we'll see you next time.